Welcome back to Champion Auto Detailing. On today's video, I have a Mazda3 full of husky hair. So let's jump right into it. You'll see later on in the video I have a couple of tools that really help with pet hair. So watch until the end as I explain what exactly I do to get rid of all of this husky hair. Starting with the driver's side here in this Mazda 3, a lot of puffy white husky hair, but we'll get it all vacuumed up with our shop vac. You can see here I'm starting with just a simple vacuum first, and then I go in with my tools afterwards. You want to remove all of the largest debris, and you don't want to gunk up any of your tools or equipment. It helps the process go a lot faster when you have a good set method to follow. A little bit of backstory on this car. My customer is a nurse and he works really long hours and really weird on-call times, so he has absolutely no time to clean his car. This has started to become a regular thing. Every summer I come over and just help him get rid of all the husky hair, because he owns two really big huskies and they are sweet guys, but they don't realize how much mess they cause. But I'm happy to help. It's always interesting to me how important people like nurses and fast food workers were during COVID times, but now people just seem to forget about them again. Funny how that happens. But I'm here and I'm glad to help. So, my customer was very appreciative. A very quick vacuum today. I was racing the sunset, so I wasn't able to do a full interior detail. This was just a vacuum for him, but we are both very glad. It'll make his commuting space a lot more pleasurable to be in when he's going to and from the hospital. I really love having regular customers, because nowadays I'm not really scared about what I'm gonna find. Like this car. This is my third or fourth time working on this car that is always filled with dog hair. And the first time I detailed it, I was a little bit scared, a little bit nervous. It seemed like a lot to take on. But nowadays, it's just another regular detail. I know exactly how to get pet hair out. I've made friends with the two doggos, and I've been back 3 or 4 times. So it's not a surprise, and it's not that scary anymore. But if you're a hobbyist detailer, or you're just starting out with your business, you might not know how to tackle something like this. So I started the video jumping right in. I didn't even really need to show before and after photos, because as you can see, there's hair everywhere. So I just jumped in with my shop vac, 4 horsepower vacuum, and a medium bristle brush, and then I very quickly had to switch to my rubber dishwashing glove. I absolutely love this tool. A rubber dishwashing glove is perfect for picking up pet hair on the carpets and the seats. Makes it basically effortless, something that would take me hours to do. It cuts my time in half. The stickiness of the rubber collects the hair, and then the rubber also creates static, so it helps pick up even more stuff. So it's a great tool to have. You might see other people on YouTube telling you to buy the Lily brush. This is a very similar concept. The Lily brush is made of rubber, so really you just need any tool made with proper rubber There's a lot of plastic tools out there, or a lot of things that don't work as well, so try them out, see which one works the best for you. But you don't need to buy name brand tools. You can just go to the dollar store and get a rubber squeegee for cleaning windows, and those work really well. I have a couple other videos on the channel where I do use that exact same tool. Moving tons of Husky hair, white and light brown, stuck in this Mazda 3. Thankfully, it's not embedded. It hasn't been here for a long time, just a few weeks at most, so a lot of the hair was pretty easy to pull off, but it's still so much of it, layers, to the point where some of these seats you can't even see the cloth on the bottom, it's just hair. So I'm gonna go through there, making several passes with first just simply vacuuming it, then making another pass with our bristle brush, and then another pass with the vacuum and the rubber, and this should get rid of all of that hair.